Let's write down the equation of conditional probability, because conditional probability is the basis of Bayes theorem. So what is the equation? Conditional probability. We must have two events, A and B. One event, let's say event A. So we are going to find the probability of this event A when the probability of B event is known. That means event B has already occurred. After this event, we are going to calculate the probability of this event, event A. So this notation is read like this. Probability of A gives B. Probability of event A given that the probability of B. Then we know probability of intersection of both these events divided by probability of the second event which is already occurred. Numerator is the intersection of both these events. We must know the intersection probability and also the probability of second event alone. So that is the equation of conditional probability. So let's do one example from conditional probability. After that, you can move to Bayes theorem. Then you can understand this theorem very easily. So this is the example. We can arrange the information given here. Group is having 100 buyers. Sample is 100. Then we have 40 buying alarm systems. So let's say event A represent the buyers buying alarm systems. So the probability of event A is 40 out of 100 because there are altogether 100 buyers. Then we can simplify this 2/5. Then second information, 30 purchased bucket seats. So I will take event B as bucket seats. 30 out of 100. 3/10. Next information, 20 purchased an alarm system and bucket seat. So the intersection, and means intersection. That is the most important thing in that question. And is intersection. Therefore, probability of alarm system and bucket seat cars, that is 20 out of 100. We can simplify, it is 1/5. Now they are asking the probability of the car buyers chosen at random bought an alarm system, also buying bucket seats. If a car buyer chosen at random bought an alarm system, event A is already occurred here. Read the question carefully. If a car buyer chosen at random bought an alarm system, now it is already occurred. What is the probability? They also bought bucket seats. That means This is already occurred. Event B. If B is given, what is the probability of A? That is the idea. If a car buyer chosen at random bought an alarm system, what is the probability? They also bought bucket seats. Now we can use probability. It should be other way around because alarm system is represented by A. Alarm system event A, bucket seats B. If a car buyer chosen at random bought an alarm system, so I have to write A here, then what is the probability of that buyer obtaining bucket seat? Then we can apply the equation PB intersection A divided by PA. Always we have to write the denominator event, that is the second event. Now what is the intersection? 1/5. B intersection A is similar to A intersection B. Now we can substitute 1/5 divided by what is PA, 2/5. 5 get cancelled. Answer is half. Writing the information given in the question in this manner is the most important thing in probability. You have to read the question and arrange this information in this order. Okay, this is the answer. You can write the answer.